So we've been going through the tune-up process on this piece of equipment here. This is from '96. So we got a 27-year-old R22 using system here. And when we first came across this equipment, our amp draws and mechanical components on the system are working rather well. But our refrigerant was tanking on the evaporator side, and what I mean by tanking is it's freezing, dropping below 32 degrees. We had found dirty filters and checked the evaporator coil to make sure that we didn't have impeded airflow, and then checked the amount of ductwork on this church to ensure that we had the adequate amount of ductwork on it, and we weren't dealing with a restriction on airflow due to inadequate ductwork. But we have roughly about 2,000 CFM here, which is what's needed for a 5-ton AC system, about 400 CFM per ton. So I went digging through here, and what we found were some a second set of filters here tucked behind the equipment, because this system has a fresh air intake right over here next to the flue exhausts. And so they were trying to filter this. I don't think anyone's been taking care of this thing for a while. As you can see here, the dirt on these filters are pretty intense. I don't think they've been touched for years. As you can see, our system is now satisfied and is cooling a lot better now that we have removed those. We are still riding about 32 degrees, which is better than what we had, but still not adequate in my professional opinion. And I most likely will be recommending a duct cleaning, as I'm thinking debris buildup in the ductwork could be the other restriction we're dealing here with, after seeing the grill here for the fresh air being completely plugged as well. But all of this was able to be told or found out through a regular maintenance, and that's why we encourage yearly maintenance. Sometimes if you have a big commercial building like this, it's more plausible to do quarterly maintenance due to filter changes and things of that nature.